Sophie. Jalen, you're next on my screen. Oh, Jalen, did you already have a turn?
Yes.
Yes, I was going to say my screens got changed around for some reason. Dawson, you're next. What color would you like to look in?
Blue.
The blue one. Okay, good job. Now, gonna open it up. Ooh, it just has a few little letters in it. Wonder what this word's going to be. An E, a D, and an R. Oh, what word do you think that is? What word do you think that is? My screen, you guys keep on going to different places, so I need to make sure I get everybody a turn. Let's see. Hunter. Oops, where did Hunter go? Thought you were there. Just a minute, guys. I'm trying to find him. There he is. Hunter, what color word is that?
Red.
Red. Good job. Pretty and easy one, huh? Okay. So let's put it down there. R, E, and D. So now what are we going to do? We're going to go up to the other part, and we're going to write red. R, E, D. Red. Okay? Oh, some of you had already done that. You are being fast. Okay, Mr. Calder, you're next. What color A?
Yellow.
The front one or the back one?
Back one.
The back one? Okay. Good job. Let's look. Oh my goodness. It's got a lot of letters in it too. Let's see what they are. R, N, G, O, E, and another E. What word do I have, Sophie?
You have
With an R, an N, E, and a G. What is our word? Oh, Calder's really waving his hand. He knows the answer. So is Kiamick. So is Cambry.
green.
Green. Okay, good job. Okay, let's do G, R, E, N. Green. Good job. So what are we going to do? Oh, some of you are already writing it on your paper. Good job. G, R, E, N. Green. Okay, good job. Only 2 eggs left. We only have 2 words left. So let's see who's next on my screen who has not had a turn. Oh, Xylan.
Orange.
Orange. Okay, we're going to get the orange egg. Good job, Xylan. Okay, I open it up. Oh, it's got lots of letters in it again. Let's see what they are. We have what? L, E, W, L, O, and a Y. Oh, what color two left so I can figure it out by looking. Does this one have a Y? No. Does this one have a Y? What color word did we have this time? Calder.
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job, Calder. Okay. So we go down and spell it. Y, E, L. Well, L, O, and W. And now we only have one egg left, a yellow one. So I went ahead and got it, and I open it up. And can we figure out where it's going to go? Yeah, because, oh, Mrs. Beertaller forgot to write yellow down. Did you? I was trying to get ready. Yellow. I forgot to write it down on my paper. Y, E, L, L, O, W. I had to kind of squeeze that W on there. That's a big long word, isn't it? Yellow. And then we have our last one that's left. Up. What word do we have left? Brown. So I'm going to have to figure out. I have my R. O. N. W. And a B. So since I know that that's brown, I can just put it down there, can't I? C, R, O, W, N. Brown. Oh, you got an egg. Okay. So on our paper, we're going to write brown by the last one. Are you ready? B, R, O, W, N. So now we have our paper, all with our color words. What I want you to do today is color those eggs that color. Now, remember what I said? You can decorate it too. You just don't have to color it that color and leave it plain. You can use your imagination, okay? A lot of you did a great job on writing your sentence yesterday with our bug, and you sent them to me. Some of you forgot to send them to me. So I wanted to, real fast, go over when you are, just a minute. Okay, when you are in Showbie and you want to take a picture and send it to me, it's really, really easy, boys and girls. All you're going to do is click on your name, and I have some stuff up there, but over here on plus, there's, I don't know if you can see it, there we go. A plus, and then it shows you different things, and all you have to do is either scan document or photo library, and you just say okay, and then, oops, sorry, not photo library, scan document, camera, there we go, and then it's going to take a picture. I can take a picture of my thing and then send it, right? It goes up onto your Showbie account. So please make sure that when you are on Showbie that you can take a picture, okay, and send it to me. It just goes right to your Showbie thing. You don't even have to send it. And some of you even recorded yourself reading. Don't forget to do that too. Read me a book, and you can do it on Shobi too. The same way, except on camera, just push video. It's got a word that says video. Just like you do at school, sometimes we film on video, and then it'll play it to me. It'll just send it right to me, okay? Okay, I'm gonna let everybody go back because and we're gonna put in gallery screen because we do not have Zoom meetings tomorrow, or we don't have Zoom meetings on Monday, okay? We do not have Zoom meetings on tomorrow because on our school calendar, we're not supposed to have school, or on Monday. Okay, Sophie, did you have a question? What's your question?
My daddy wants to show you something.
Okay.
Right, she wants me to show you something.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, he looks different, doesn't he? Okay. Okay. I want everybody, when I count to 3, to say Happy Easter to everybody, okay? 1, 2, 3. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. See you on Tuesday, okay? See you on Tuesday.